Happy Friendship Day. This idea of friendship, celebrating Friendship Day, came from Joyce Hall. She was the founder of Hallmark Cards. Hallmark Cards and Archie's Cards were a place or a haven to be, where we could frequent regularly to search for cards, be it for, for birthdays or for friendships, or, if you want to make up after a fight, or if you're sad and if you want to say, I'm sorry. There used to be a card for each emotion then. So I have for you The Circle of Friends. The poem is written by Gillian Craig. I love the geometrical angle what she has taken for this poem. It also beautifully emphasizes the values of friendship that you need, and of course the benefits of having a wonderful world full of friends. Wonderful values which we need to inculcate, like being more understanding about our friends. We can be more accommodating, or we can be more bending, more malleable, just like the circle. So I do hope you enjoyed this poem, and maybe you could even write it in a letter or a postcard and share it with your friends. Circle of Friends by Gillian Craig, courtesy British Council of India. Why do we call it a circle of friends? The reason is it always bends. The shape won't change with someone new if there are many or just a few. A circle is strong. It can shrink or grow. As you meet new people you'd like to know, or lose a friend in a silly fight, there are others there. It will be all right. A circle never runs out of space. Come and go, there will be a place. A gap can close and open again to be filled by you no matter when. There's always room for another one, another person to share the fun, another person who you can share your feelings with, who will always care. Inside the circle, the space is free to play with one or two or three. Skates and scooters, books and toys to share with different girls and boys. Other shapes have angles and lines. You really can't change those designs. Bend like the circle, make it wide. You'll find a world of friends inside. Gillian Craig and British Council of India. Why do we call it a circle of friends? Why do we not call it a triangle of friends, or a rectangle of friends, or a parallelogram of friends, or a rhombus of friends? Well, it says the reason is it always bends. Circle, for example, if you take circle, it could be something like, say, your bangle, which is, flexible or malleable. What happens with this is the shape won't change. Suppose you are four friends, and tomorrow you find a new friend, and she wants to join you in a dance or in a circle dance. You're going ringa ringa roses, let's say. So the shape won't change. You're a four, you all can take her in, you all can include her, and still it'll be a ring. Now, suppose you take six of them. You have another friend who comes the next day, it'll become six. Okay, fine. So you're still in a circle. You'll still be in a circle. A circle is strong. It can shrink or grow. So sometimes you may just have three friends coming down to play. Sometimes on a Saturday, Sunday, you have 10 friends coming down to play. So it can be small, it can shrink some days, and it can grow some days. As you meet new people, you would like to know. So as you grow older and older, you will have many more friends. How many of you all have played Garba or Dandiya, right? So you're all in a circle dancing, and suppose you join in late. The friends just give you that space and you can still join in, and then maybe two are tired and they go for a drink. But it still stays a circle. You all are there dancing. Two of them go to drink water, come back, and they join in. So circle is a strong model. Whereas the other shapes are, pretty structured, pretty rigid. Like in angles, they have angles and lines. For example, say if you're playing in a four square, suppose a four square itself will be difficult because you cannot keep your hand at right angle at all times. But suppose you have a four square and then one of them goes out to drink water, then you suddenly become a triangle. The shape will keep changing. So if you have four, it will be square. But what if you have six and seven and eight? Whereas a circle is very accommodative. So basically, for friends or to be friends, we need to be accommodating. We need to let go of certain upsets what we have, certain misunderstandings what we have. We just need to let go. So the more we are understanding, our circle of friends will keep on growing, and it will be a very wonderful world of friends.